Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today I'm taking a look at this Borderlands 3 Maliwan pistol. So this is a 1x1 replica and it's from a company called PDP. So far the packaging looks very nice. So let's go ahead and open it up. This thing does have some sound effects, also some lighting, and let's go ahead and take a look at how this looks like. So let's go ahead and check it out and see what we have inside here. So let's go ahead and remove the sleeve. Even inside the sleeve here, it is like all orange and nice built here. So it's kind of like following the Borderlands 3 theme here. And finally the time has come to open up the box here. So let's see. And we do have this nice looking, it's kind of like a poster. You can pretty much like cut this out and place it somewhere if you want to. That's a pretty cool one. And down here we do have this, it's kind of like the manual here, but it's a good looking manual. Like the artwork and everything here looks very cool. Also, like it tells you like how to turn down the volume, lighting and all that stuff. So let's put that away for now. So finally we have the replica here. Looks very nice. The build quality actually looks very good. We are going to go ahead and take a closer look together and also see how the lighting works, the sound and all that stuff. So let's take a closer look. So finally have this on my hands and it does feel very nice. It does have some weight to it. Looks and feels pretty good. I did put 3 AA batteries which are not included and they just go on this side here. Pretty simple to put in, no screws or anything like that, which is very nice. And to turn on the actual replica here, we're gonna have to twist this. And right now you can see how it looks like. We do got some nice lighting here. And if I go ahead and press the trigger here, and you can see it starts to spin even faster. And let me just put the sound closer so you can hear it better. So this is the sound quality. It's not that high or like it's not too impressive, but it sounds okay. And pretty much if you want to control the lighting, we have some knobs here. So that's if you want to control the volume. And this is how much noise it makes just by itself right now. And let's say I want to turn the volume up. So we do have that nice sound effect there. And the lighting, we have the option to turn it like lower or to the max. I don't see the point of that. Usually everyone is going to leave this to the max. It just looks better. And you're also able to switch the colors as well here. So if you go ahead and press this button here, and we do get that nice sound effect. So we got green, blue, orange, purple, and they all look pretty cool actually. So overall, so let's just go ahead and turn the volume down now. The whole thing feels pretty cool. And to turn it off, let's just turn the knob here and it's off. So pretty much when it comes to looking at the actual knobs here, this is the working one up here. This one doesn't do anything. And then the lighting, it's kind of hidden here. If you don't look at the manual itself, it's kind of like hard to find it. So that's the color button there. And on the other side, we do have the 2 wheels. So these are the 2 wheels for the sound and lighting. And on the other side, we do have 2 more wheels, but they don't really do anything here. And the crosshair and everything looks pretty cool actually. So this thing looks pretty cool to display as well. This is definitely going besides my PC, which is gonna look awesome. And when we're looking at the overall quality here, it does have a different material on this side here and also at the grip. It kind of feels like rubberized, but it's not really like rubberized, which is a cool material in there. And the trigger, the only thing is I wish it had a lighting in the front here, especially when you turn it on to have a light here. It would have made a huge difference. It would have looked much nicer. But the overall quality looks and feels pretty good. It does have some weight to it, so it's not like floating somewhere. So it just feels nice. So if you're a Borderlands fan, this replica, this 1x1 replica does a great job representing itself. And it feels good too, especially if you're going to display this in some place. It looks nice. And anything like cosplay or anything like that, it will definitely work out very nicely for that part. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button and don't forget to turn the notifications on. If you guys have any questions about this, and I'm also going to be placing more images and videos on my other social media like Instagram, Twitter, so go ahead and check that out. So I will see you guys on the next video.